Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be checking out the SAMYAN MITRTOWN new shopping complex in downtown Bangkok. As you can see, it's quite a big mall and it has a very nice vibe to it and it's very clean. It's quite a big mall and it has a very cool distinct look outside. The mall is based in Phaya Thai Road in Bangkok. So as you can see here, the mall is really cool. So let's see the metro station, guys. So if you're coming by metro, you have to come from SAMYAN metro station or MRT, which is SAMYAN over here. As you can see, this is definitely one of the coolest metros. As you can see over here, they have like a very graphic design look to it all over. They have many of these stickers and it has definitely one of the coolest corridors here. So as we are going to go ahead a little bit, you will see they will have a very cool corridor. Do hit like, guys, I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, so on to the corridor. As I was saying, it's not really a corridor, but as you can see over here, it's like this little tunnel. It's a very cool place to click pictures. Many people click pictures over here. And as I was saying, you have lots of these graphics on all over the walls. So this is the SAMYAN MITRTOWN. And back to the corridor here, it's a very cool place for pictures. It's like a sci-fi kind of place, so many people stand over here and get some cool shots. It's really nice if you have a professional camera, so I definitely recommend coming here and clicking some good pictures. As you can see over here, the floor is completely glass, so again another cool place to click pictures. So on to the mall, guys, let's head in. Yes, so we are inside the mall now. Once you go up the escalator here, you will see this really cool kind of design, and let's head on towards the mall, guys, over here. So we are entering in. So the mall is really cool. So this is the snacks and food they have at the food court over here. So you can get some cool snacks, and it's a really big food court, as you can see, and definitely recommend coming here. They have Cafe Amazon, Big Seafood, and let's see what else they have. Okay, so over here you can move on to the lifestyle. They have some cool stuff here. So this is Tim Horton. They have Tim Horton, and what else do they have? Oh, this is Even Boy. So this is like one of the most famous iconic brands in Thailand for makeup. Then we have 7-Eleven, of course. 7-Eleven, everybody knows, is a supermarket chain. Every street in Thailand has one. These are clothings. These are mostly local Thai outfits, so if you want some, you can buy them. So guys, let's head on inside the mall and check out more of the places inside. We'll check out more of the shops. Over here we have Uniqlo, which is an international brand, Uniqlo, and we will see what else they have besides Uniqlo. So as you can see over here, there are 4 floors, and then there is the Metro Link, which is at the basement level. This is a really cool place, the Community for Art of Life. So if you want to check out the community, you can check out that as well. And over here you have many of these Thai stores, and they have like these cute stores that have lots of cute stuff. And of course over here the food is to die for. You have to try food at all of these. That's a buffet place. Look at the architecture and design. It's really cool. Everything about this mall is really cool, and I really like the interiors. It's a really fascinating place. So over here onto the food court, we're just gonna get something to eat now. So over here you can get this is like a halo kind of jelly kind of thing over here, which is quite popular in Thailand, and it's quite popular in Malaysia actually. So over here let's get our food, which we got is some chicken rice, and yes, so over here you can see they have all these dishes. Everything's around 55 to 60 baht for food, which is very cheap. And you can see these The artwork is very cool. I don't know what you call these, but they're really cool. And yeah, it's nice to click a lot of pictures here. So now we are heading up to the top of the mall, which is like this viewing deck area. So it has like this garden area over here, which is really cool. So as I was saying, okay, I like pictures, so look at this place, guys. It's definitely like this Instagrammable place where you can click some amazing pictures. Look at the view of this place, and it's really cool. I really like this place. Definitely recommend coming up here if you're heading to the mall, so you can see the whole city in the background. And there's of course a coffee shop here where you can just chill out, get some coffee, and you can sit with your coffee or snacks or whatever over here outside and enjoy a good evening or any time of the day. And if you come at this time, which is in the afternoon, you'll get some really cool pictures. Look at this sky, guys. It's very beautiful. So definitely recommend coming here. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.